How you guys doing today? Welcome to another Flyers recap. And it's been a while. Yeah, said I was gonna do it try to do like a podcast on it, but stuff's not working out my way. So we're back doing broadcast recaps of the Flyers. So Flyers lost 4-3 to the Hurricanes, but it was a good game. I don't know how to say this new guy's name, but he gets his first goal of the season, and that in the second period, Tippy gets his first goal of the season, and then third, Wayne Ellison gets his second goal. I think he had a goal already. Let me see something. Yeah, that's right. No, I thought he had more. Guess I'm thinking it's another player. Yep, the Flyers lost 4-3. Hart is hang on here. I thought I have notes, but has 33 saves in that game against the Hurricane. And all the Flyers did good. It was a great game. I think I watched that one. Yeah, I did watch that one. The Lightnings were off, I believe. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for now. But more podcasts is gonna be coming video. I'm gonna try to do on Twitch figure some stuff out, and then we'll go from there. I'll see you guys on the next video.